Hi, it's Danny, back with another neck video. We're going to rotate today, seated or standing. Please join in. You can just check in with what your range is to rotate. And your head move, let your eyes follow. This comes into many sports, comes into driving. Many times we need to turn the head. Let's make that a bit more holistic. Let's travel downstairs through the whole body. Bring one foot forwards, rotate a bit of your pelvis, a bit of your ribs, and then let the head keep going the same way. Let's do a few to that same side. So you're coming forwards, supporting the rotation with everything else beneath. Connect to the ground. So less isolation, more whole body focus. Okay, we can change over. Forwards. If there's a flashlight on the pelvic bones here, on the chest bone, that's scanning to that way and head just keeps going. So the lights of the eyes keep rotating, but it's not just the eyes, not just the head. In fact, the head follows the body. Careful of the head leading, let your body lead, let your head respond. And just keep going and keep going and keep going and find what feels a nice range. You may get the lightest of stretches here, this is fine. Okay, we'll bring that back to the center. Short video. Anytime you come to rotate your neck, just check that your whole body's involved. And that should give you more range, more comfort, less likely to get jammed up and achy right here. All right, thanks for watching.